A hearty hello to all you food enthusiasts out there. Are you ready to take on the culinary world one vegetable at a time? Today, we're all about asparagus, that green, slender, nutrient-rich superstar. First things first, always remember to wash your asparagus thoroughly. It's not just about cleanliness, but also about keeping those beautiful green hues vibrant. Next, snap off the woody ends. It's as easy as bending the stalk until it breaks naturally. That's nature's way of saying this is the good stuff. Now onto the cooking part. You can steam it, grill it, roast it, or blanch it. But my favorite? A quick sauté. Just a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of lemon juice. Give it about 3 to 4 minutes and voila. But don't just stop there. Experiment with your seasonings. Garlic, parmesan, balsamic vinegar, the world is your oyster. Remember, cooking is an art form, and the kitchen is your canvas. So go on. Create your masterpiece with asparagus today, and until next time, keep those taste buds curious.